how to get accepted into Merch by Amazon. Regardless if you're an enthusiast, new to the industry, or even if you already have a solid customer base for your business, you'd probably want to know how to get more sales. The best way to achieve this is by widening your connections and knowing how to use digital marketing. Ever since the pandemic started, the demand for online retail has been very popular because, of course, people would want to buy products in the most convenient way. It doesn't mean that sticking to having a physical store is not a good idea. But if you want your business to target a bigger market, the best option is to offer your services through online marketplaces, including our all-time favorite, Amazon. This is why a lot of entrepreneurs nowadays are trying to get their merch into Amazon. But what is merch for Amazon? And how does it work? How do you apply for it? Or how do you even get qualified? What are the pros and cons of using this platform? In today's video, we'll try to answer these questions and more. Before we continue with the rest of this video, please remember to click the subscribe and thumbs up buttons as well as the bell notification icon. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we release new exciting videos. Also, we'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you watch the entire video as we will mention a free way for you to win a $20 Amazon gift card. Okay, now let's continue with our video. Let's get started! First of all, what is merch for Amazon? And how does it work? The majority of entrepreneurs are already familiar with this concept. But for those who haven't heard about it, Merch by Amazon is basically a method of selling your own designs on the Amazon marketplace. Business owners usually list their products on Amazon, one of the world's largest online selling platforms, intending to have access to millions of customers all over the world. Because who wouldn't, right? Apart from being a famous marketplace, listing your designs on Amazon doesn't require any investments at all, meaning no upfront charges to pay if you want to get started. Let's admit it. Not all business platforms offer this kind of opportunity, especially to newbies. So how exactly does it work? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is upload your artwork, select your price list, and then sit back and let Amazon do the rest. Potential customers will have access to your products through Amazon's personalized page. Amazon will also handle all the other processes, including printing, shipping, and other customer service needs. Who uses Merch by Amazon? Merch by Amazon is not just for designers, but actually for anyone who wishes to showcase their items. This makes it excellent for hobbyists, artists, illustrators, and side hustlers. It's also perfect for those trying to make money online, and literally anyone who's looking to start an online t-shirt business. Some sellers that apply for merch are already successful in their own retail stores, but they wish to reach the Amazon marketplace's millions of customers. Some of them, on the other hand, are designers with no experience in business who appreciate the idea of Amazon handling the financial and sales aspects for them. Essentially, Merch by Amazon is designed for anyone who has the passion, drive, and creativity to build a marketable brand. Alright, now let's talk about the application process. How does one get to use the merch feature of Amazon? The thing is that getting into the platform used to be so much simpler. Sadly, since a lot of people are using it, some started abusing it. Because of that, Amazon had to tighten its security, which made the application so much more complicated. So if you want to take advantage of all the benefits of using this platform, you might want to take note of this video. First, you'll have to prepare all your business information. This includes your business and personal contact details, your bank account information, and your social security numbers. After that, you'll have to request an invite through the Amazon website. Next, you want to make sure that you're logged into the right account and start working through the application process. You'll have to make sure that you fill out all the necessary details, including the industry type, the name of your organization, and your website address, if applicable. It would also be a good idea to add your work portfolio to help build up your brand. Once you've submitted the form, all you have to do is wait for an email from Amazon, so make sure to keep an eye on it. How to boost your application for Amazon's merch. It's not enough that you know the process works. In this part of the video, we're listing down some key steps to take note of to boost your chance of getting that spot. Number 1. Create a wow impression by creating a website. One of the best ways to boost your chance of getting into the Amazon platform is by creating your own website. Doing so would help you build up your portfolio. It can also be a way for you to customize your profile. You can also use it as an online store for your business. Make sure to use high-quality graphics to make a better impression. Number 2. Prove that you've done your research. It's important that you build an impression that you've done enough research and that your design will not violate any copyrights. Merch by Amazon has a lot of work to do to constantly monitor new listings for copyright infringement, so knowing that your designs are 100% unique puts them at peace. Number 3. Read and understand the terms and conditions. Make sure that you read and fully comprehend their terms of service agreement. This is a very crucial step because Merch by Amazon does not want to waste their time worrying about vendors breaking their policies. And it assures them that if you're allowed, you will not be an issue. To prove that you've read and understood the TOS, it would be a good idea to include references to them in your application. Number 4. Demonstrate your potential. If you already have experience selling print-on-demand apparel on other platforms, share some high-level statistics with them. Make them feel that you're adding value to their platform and that accepting you would be a win-win situation for both of you. You can also add links to your existing websites for them to see how successful you are in this type of business. Number 5. Don't forget social media. Yes, that's right. Basically, every single person on the internet has at least one profile in the social media world. May it be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the like. You want to make sure that you take advantage of this by boosting your presence on social media. You can simply increase your visibility to different types of audiences by creating an account on these social media platforms. This will demonstrate to Amazon that, in addition to their platform, you have a larger audience reach thanks to your page followers. The key to using social media is that you have to make sure you're always active by promoting your company and interacting with your audience. After all, creating a business profile on social media is usually free, so it's not going to be much of a hassle to build one. If you're able to follow all the tips above, then you can tell that you've done everything that you can to increase your chance of getting into Amazon platform. In the event that you don't get it the first time, don't get upset, because it's usually just due to incomplete or missing information. So if it happens to you, you can always double check all the information and reapply. Apart from that, you should be good to go. We hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and leave us a comment below. We love to hear from you, and we'll be doing a random name drawing of the first unique 100 commenters who also liked the video and subscribed to the channel. The lucky winner will get a $20 Amazon gift card. So get involved and don't be shy.